Start 6 left, extra long, keep in of a crest, into 6 right of a crest, jump. Good luck. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 6 left, extra long. Keep in of a crest, into 6 right of a crest, jump. 100 of a crest, turn unseen, 2 left. Opens, 100. 6 left, 160. 4 right, extra long of a crest, 50. Keep middle of a crest. Into 6 left long, keep in of a crest, into 6 right. Slow 70, turn unseen, hairpin right, don't cut. Start 60, unseen, 4 left small cut, 55 right. Good luck. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. 60, unseen, 4 left small cut, 50, 5 right, 80, 5 left, 30, 5 right, very long, opens of a crest, 40, 4 right, opens and slow, keep right into turn, 1 left long, 80, 6 left, 50, 4 right long, opens 50, early.